Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we are talking about hair again, and we are going to discuss the viral product for glossy and shiny hair right now, and that is Color Wow Dream Coat Spray. We are going to find out if it is actually worth it, if it is actually that wonderful, and I will show you my before and afters, of course, as usual. Let's go. If you're new on my channel, welcome. My name is Anna, and here I share very easy to follow beauty routines, hair care tips, travel vlogs, shopping hauls, and so much more. And before we start, I wanted to ask you to click the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. This really helps me reach more people here on YouTube and find more people who are interested in my content. Thank you so much, and let's discuss this spray. First of all, I have to say that this product is for people whose hair is kind of going through a tough moment. When your hair is feeling dull and frizzy and it is lacking that shine, or you are in a very humid area where your hair gets really frizzy because of the weather, so you will probably be benefiting from this product. But I'm jumping too far ahead by saying this. So first of all, let's read what Color Wow is promising you with this one. Dream Coat Supernatural Spray, which magically transforms texture, amazing humidity proofing powers. This product is activated by heat, and they say that it lasts through 3 to 4 shampoos, which is very promising. By the way, I've used this one for more than a month already, so I kind of have my opinion about it already, but we'll get to that a little bit later. The directions for using this product is first shampoo, condition, and then towel dry, and then you section your hair and you spray the product really abundantly on your hair, and then you blow dry using tension. You cannot just spray the product and walk around your home drying your hair naturally. You need to use your hair dryer to activate the product. And well, using this every 3 to 4 shampoos, you definitely do not need to use this product every time you shampoo your hair. While we're going to look at my before and afters, and while we're going to discuss the results, I want you to keep in mind the price of this hairspray, and it is definitely not a cheap spray. I think it is about $25 to $30 here in Europe, and I think the price is supposed to be about the same in the United States, so that is not a mass market product. It is not as expensive as like Olaplex Kerastase products, but it is not cheap. You get how many milliliters in here? You get 200 milliliters in here, but if you really spray it all over your hair, and if you have long hair, you're going to run out of it pretty quickly, especially if you wash your hair every day like I do. I bought this product when I was not in the best place with my hair. I think at the beginning of May, I felt that my hair was kind of dull. It didn't have my usual shine, and I was looking for products that would add more shine to my hair and that would make it more like glossy and glass-like. So I googled, and if you Google right now glossy, shiny hair products, that will be the first product that you're going to find. Their marketing team is working really well in order to sell you the spray. They managed to sell it to me, and I don't regret buying this product. It is a good one. When my hair was looking dull, I saw the results straight away. It made my hair feel really nice and shiny. But when my hair is not at its best, I never go for just one product. I usually go and add more products, more like new good products into my hair care routine. So it's always hard to analyze just one product. And when I started using this product, I was also using a lot of hair masks in order to kind of give my hair more moisture, to kind of bring it back to life. And I felt that it worked really well together with hair masks. And it didn't matter which kind of hair mask I used. I used both mass market hair masks and like more pricey hair masks like the number 8 from Olaplex. And I felt like the results were pretty much the same, but in a combination with hair mask, this hairspray worked really well. I think in a week of like using this one, I was good. My hair was shiny. I was happy about the look of my hair. I think I started using it before our trip to Paris, and during our trip to Paris, on my videos, when I look at my hair, I was really happy with the way my hair looked. It was shiny, it was really nice. Right now, 2 months later, I feel like my hair is in a much better place. It is like shiny by itself without me using special products to add more shine to my hair. But I still use this sometimes, though I forget to use it like every 4 days. I definitely don't. I feel like I'm using it every like 10 days. And when your hair is fine and when your hair is not really in a bad condition at the moment, I feel like you are not going to really see the results of this product. So I understand when people buy this product and they are disappointed, because I think that their hair at that moment was not really feeling bad, particularly bad, and then they are not seeing a huge difference when they use this product. So if your hair is dull, if you really look at your hair and it's not as shiny as it used to be, then try this product. It's going to be good for you. If your hair is fine, you're probably not going to see any special results with this product, and you will feel like it's the waste of money maybe. I will show you my befores and afters. So this will be a video of me today. Today I used this product on my hair after I washed my hair, and on the video it looks really shiny. My hair looks like I sprayed it on my hair, I dried my hair, looked at myself in the mirror, and I was like, I'm not sure you can actually see anything. But then after I filmed my hair, how it looks from the back, my hair looks really shiny today from the back. And then in 1 week, I will film how my hair looks. Like, I will not use this product for a week, and I will show you how my hair looks without me using this product in my hair care routine. And well, you will try to see if you think that it makes any difference for my hair right now. And please write me what you think about this product in the comments down below. Please share with me what are your favorite products to get that glossy, shiny hair look. I will be really curious to find out your favorite hair products. And also, if you have any topics in mind that you would like me to discuss on this channel, please share them down below in the comment section. I am really looking for more ideas for my videos at the moment. I'm kind of in between the trips, my summer trips right now. We are in Warsaw. This is my like basic calm routine right now, and I don't have any ideas for you guys. So if you want me to talk more about skincare or makeup or hair or anything, please share down below. I'll be really happy to talk to you about anything really. And like this video if you found it useful, if you found out about this product just right now, and if this information was useful for you, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And I will see you very soon. Bye.